In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign leads automatically in Freshsales. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable way to route incoming leads to the right people without manual effort, which means faster response times and a smoother sales process. First, head into Admin Settings. You'll typically find this by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of Freshsales. From there, open Teams and Territories, and then select Territories. This is the workspace where you define how leads get segmented and who handles them. If you don't see this option, you may need admin permissions to proceed. Next, create your territory. Click New Territory and give it a clear, descriptive name. A good naming convention helps everyone on your team understand the purpose at a glance. For example, something like US, Software, or EMEA, Enterprise. If there's a description field available, use it to capture the intent or any internal notes your team might need later. The goal is to make maintenance easy as your business grows. Now, add territory rules. These rules tell Freshsales which leads belong in this territory. For instance, you might set country as USA and industry as software. Think of this as your filter. Any incoming lead that matches these conditions will qualify for this territory. Keep rules specific enough to capture the right leads, but not so narrow that no one qualifies. If you use custom fields, you can include those too, as long as your data is clean and consistent. Pay attention to whether you're using AND or OR logic. AND narrows the pool, OR broadens it, so the final rule set matches your intent. Under Users to auto-assign leads, add the sales reps who should receive leads for this territory. Freshsales will automatically distribute matching leads among the users you add here, typically in a round-robin fashion. Make sure the reps you include are active, licensed users with access to the relevant modules. If you have a mix of new and experienced reps, you can revisit this list later to adjust who gets leads as your team evolves. Finally, save your changes. From this point on, any new lead that meets your territory rules will be routed automatically to the users you specified. If you notice leads aren't being assigned as expected, double-check that the lead fields used in your rules are consistently populated. Confirm the users are added under auto-assign, and ensure the territory is saved and active. That's it. You've set up automated lead assignment in Freshsales, creating a dependable path from inquiry to rep with minimal effort.